Hey guys, everybody who is watching my video has already heard about NASA's Parker Solar Probe. If you haven't heard about, then I will tell you little about this mission. NASA's Parker Solar Probe will be the first ever mission to touch the Sun. The spacecraft, about the size of a small car, of weight nearly 650 kilograms, will travel directly into the Sun's atmosphere about 4 million miles from the surface, to study the outer corona of Sun, which has temperature of 2 million degrees Celsius. Then the question arises, how will Parker Solar Probe survive in such millions degree of temperature? Why will not it melt? So here I am, Rick, going to tell you the science about this probe. Why won't it melt? So guys, here, one key to understanding what keeps the spacecraft and its instruments safe is by understanding the concept of heat versus temperature. According to these concept, high temperatures do not always translate heat to actually heating another object. In space, the temperature can be thousands of degrees without providing significant heat to a given object or feeling hot. Why? Temperature measures how fast particles are moving, whereas heat measures the total amount of energy that they transfer. Particles may be moving fast, high temperature, but if there are very few of them, they won't transfer much energy, low heat. Since space is mostly empty, there are very few particles that can transfer energy to the spacecraft. Let's understand these by taking one example. Think of the difference between putting your hand in a hot oven versus putting it in a pot of boiling water. In the oven, your hand can withstand significantly hotter temperatures for longer than in the water, where it has to interact with many more particles. As we know, in oven there is heated air molecules which will heat our hand. Has less density than the heated water molecules, which has high density of molecules. That's why in oven our hand can withstand for longer time than boiling water. Similarly, compared to the visible surface of the Sun, the corona of Sun is less dense, so the spacecraft interacts with fewer hot particles and doesn't receive as much heat. That means that while Parker Solar Probe will be traveling through a space with temperatures of several million degrees through the corona of Sun, the surface of the heat shield of spacecraft that faces the Sun will only get heated to about 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, about 1,400 degrees Celsius. And the Parker Solar Probe has designed to withstand up to 2,800 degrees Celsius, so this is the reason behind why won't NASA's spacecraft melt. Hey guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos on science.